Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Krissy. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. As promised, I wanted to show you guys the quality of my new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and also I want to compare it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm here parked next to the beach and I'm like, why not just do it right now? It's a perfect time, you know. It's the weather is somewhat okay. It's partly cloudy, but you know, I could still test out both phones. I have both phones and my camera with me, so I was like, why not? Because I'm parked next to the beach and just chilling. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me on the beach and test out both camera quality and show you guys. So yeah, let's do this. So guys, I'm at the perfect spot where we usually watch the sunset, but there's no sun to set. But still, I'm gonna give you guys this content because like it's dark, but I'll still try to see if I can get some good views. As you can see, it's like cloudy. It's a cloudy day today, but you could still see the camera difference. You could still see the quality and the difference in the camera. And the zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is, listen, is amazing. Listen, when the iPhone 16 comes out, make sure when I zoom in the sky, I can see Jesus, because you guys are going too crazy with this, with the prices and the zoom. But as you can see, the iPhone 15 Pro Max on the left, iPhone 12 Pro Max on the right. I hope YouTube don't drop the quality of this video when I upload it. Yeah, I'm here today, Sunday, and this is what I'm getting. Alright, let's test the zoom. I'm gonna do 2.5. I'm gonna do 2.5 on the 12 and 2 on the 15. Now let's try the 5. Whoa. I can see the people on the plane. I can see the passengers on the plane. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go back to the 1. This is the time for the sunset. There's no sun to set. Honestly, I should have done this earlier because it's now 6 p.m. But still, you know, you could still see the difference. Guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Do you see the difference with both cameras? Because like I said, on the left, it's the iPhone 15 Pro Max. On the right is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I pray YouTube doesn't drop the quality of this, because you know how it goes. Oh, it's raining. Whoa, the weather told me there's no rain today. What's going on? Yeah, the quality will look so good, but once you upload it on YouTube, sometimes YouTube tend to drop the quality. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.